G'day YouTubers, Pirate Pete here from a too hot for sleep night here in Sydney. I thought rather than try and fall asleep on a night as hot as this, I'll just make a video instead. And tonight I thought I'd take a bit of a stock take of what I've collected. It's been a couple of weeks now I've been making videos, and not too much longer that I've been starting my collection. I thought let's do a baseline of the full collection, show you what I've been collecting in, and take a bit of a stock take so I could compare with progress in hopefully a year's time. Alright, so stick around, check it out. Alrighty, so first up here I've got the Bullion Collection I've got in coins and bars and sort of what have you. So I've done a bit of a stock take to total all that up. I've got the 1 ounce coins up the back, 10 ounce Perth bars on the left. I've got a couple of generic 1 kilo bars, as well as a 1 kilo coin, and a very lonely single ounce of gold as well. So I've done a tally of what my holdings are at the moment. So it's about 100 ounces of 1 ounce coins, 110 ounces, let me try and focus that, 110 ounces of the Perth bars, and there's just under, what is that, 100 ounces in the 1 kilo coin and bars. So in total there's just a bit over 300 ounces of silver and the 1 ounce of gold. So that's the collection of bullion after a couple of weeks, and I'll show you what the proof collection looks like. Alrighty, so here are all the, I guess, the high value coins, the more collectible numismatic coins. Some of them are proofs, some of them are just privy coins, and they come in different sizes. So I'll just come in and show you around what there is. There's a collection set back there. I'll try keeping this in focus. I'm pretty ordinary at this. So we've got, you'll see a common theme here. Most of these are kookaburras. So we've got a collection set back there, some 1 ounce privies over here, these are 1 ounce proofs up the front. The only exception to my kookaburras are the dragons, and I'll let you figure out why I'm interested in the dragon. And this is a lonely high relief proof kookaburra up here, and a couple of 2 ounce privies and a handful of 2 ounce proofs as well. So I did do a stock take, and I'm not sure if you can see that, but it totals up to just under 70 ounces of metal in total. So I guess for a bloke who's only really interested in collecting bullion, he's gone off and collected a bit of sort of fancy coin here, and I guess in a couple of weeks, what's already become a bit apparent to me as I look at different prices over time and things like this is that these sort of things tend to hold their value. They're far more stable, or what I call price inelastic. So spot can fall a lot, and it has, but these things tend to hold their value. Some even go up in value. I'm not an expert in picking which ones go up in value, but these coins seem to have done well in terms of holding their values. And in that way, this is I guess borrowing from a bit of a trading background that I have, but these coins here are a bit of a hedge for me. So while I'm looking to amass a larger holding of bullion, as it continues to fall in spot, if it does, that's good news for me. It's bad for anyone who's looking to sell, but for me who's looking to accumulate, that's good. If price keeps falling, I can obviously buy more bullion that way. But this here, by holding its value, it gives me a chance to hedge against that fall in price if I need to liquidate any of it in the short term. But really what this is about is my trading plan is if bullion falls to under 10 US an ounce, so if it just starts dropping under 10 an ounce, then this stuff here will start to get liquidated, and I'm expecting it to hang on to its value a lot better relative to the bullion, and I'll be using that cash to accumulate more bullion at the lower prices. So under 10 US an ounce would be my trigger point in my trading plan. So if you're familiar with the gold silver ratio, the concept's the same. I'm for lack of a better word calling it a proof coin silver bullion ratio. A 40 or 50% drop in bullion spot will probably translate into it might even be just a 0% change in this stuff. Might be a 10%, might be a 20%, but it'll be less than the bullion. At least that's what historically has been the case, and that's why I'm using this as one of my hedging strategies. So let me know if you have any questions about that. That might be a bit of a different concept to some of you, or maybe that's what you do and it's sort of standard, I don't know. But it's part of my strategy. Let me know if you have any comments, questions. If you've enjoyed this video, please share it around, and if you haven't done so already, hit subscribe. And Pirate Pete now is on Facebook. He does have a Facebook page, so if you prefer to watch YouTube videos via Facebook, you can always find us there and follow us there and catch our future videos via Facebook as well. All right, take care. We'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.